Fy enw yw Cari a dwi'n chwarae am Ystradgynlais a heddiw dwi'n y Junior Journal.
How are you?
Good,
What's your name?
Cari.
Can I get a high five? How old are you?
3 years.
Oh, hello.
Sports ones as well.
Yeah.
Right? Good day. Are you alright?
Hello.
How are you doing, UK?
Good, thanks.
How are you? You alright? Fine.
Hello.
You okay?
Good.
Hi, how are you? Tony?
Hello.
Adam?
Hello.
Adam. Grant? Hiya.
Hello.
Danny, you alright?
You play for?
Swansea, West Wales.
Oh, Swansea, I like that. Oh, Swansea.
How many questions you got for me? 10.
How does it feel when you put on the Welsh jersey and sing the anthem?
No other feeling like it, to be honest. I'm walking out to the fans. I'm sure you've been to games before. It's an amazing atmosphere, and to sing that anthem is obviously a proud moment every time you wear that jersey as well.
What's been your best moment?
Scoring at Slovakia, really. I think that tops it. Obviously that, and obviously joint with it is signing for United and scoring my first goal in my debut. I think them two are up there with the top.